So just a brief introduction about Mataji. Her Grace Jagannath Mataji is a very, very senior disciple of Guru Maharaj, very loyal, very dear, very, very dear one. So let's hear from her. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhu. All Guru Srila Sripad, dear Gurudev, please accept our prostrated obeisances at your lotus feet. Today is a day which every disciple of yours eagerly look forward to glorify you, introspect our connection with you, seek your guidance to solidify our relation with you, and express our gratitude for everything you have given us as a bona fide spiritual master. Personally, I feel highly indebted for all the affectionate association and the golden instructions you gave us for our devotional journey. Guru Maharaj, you have demonstrated to us by motivating and guiding us how your sincere disciples and servants can discover their potential and align with your beyond mission. Like many of your disciples, I always felt unqualified to serve you and your mission. I don't come from an IIT background nor an engineering background, because earlier in BIU they used to say only engineers and all. But you motivated and inspired me beyond our capacity to know our eligibility. You pulled me out of an association which I assumed was your scientific mission, and you connected me to your scientific Bhagavata culture which you called as your BI mission. You inspired me in your science and spirituality mission, which earlier I thought I was not fit for it. As a case, Guru Maharaj, at Lonavala Conference 2005, Mukund Madhav Prabhu was there, and we also accompanied you for a short distance and for the morning program. And the following day, Madhukrishna Prabhu and Subhasham Prabhu were to give you lunch from our place. And at that time, during lunch meeting, you said, I want Jagan Mohini to travel all over the world. Exactly, you said this. And when my Prabhuji told me, repeated this, I just took an inspiration. I knew it was not for me. But again in 2006, you called me from Philadelphia to convey that Jagan Mohini, you should have presented the conference, there are ladies here. So you desired, I serve you and your mission beyond Mumbai. Thus, you have not restricted our services to ISR Mumbai, but contribute at global level. Besides, you also expressed that we, with our team, publish your books. You thus included me in BI Core Committee and BI Global Teleconference to participate constructively to the development of overall BI mission. Through this BI Core Committee and BI Global Network, you desire that we facilitate your disciples and servants who are interested to contribute to BI mission, and also share with them any guidance you have given us so that they can be connected to your BI mission. You desire the BI mission be inclusive through collective, collaborative and cooperative efforts. The mission should progress to accommodate varied skills and capabilities of varied servants from diversified academic background. So this year, as we meditated on your divine instruction, we recalled how much importance you gave to the instructions of Srila Prabhupada was a pure devotee. Our God Brother Mukund Madhav Prabhu has already shared on this about. So you had given advice to your God brothers after Prabhupada departed about pure devotees' instruction are autocratic and transcendent, and there's absolutely no room for interpretation by the pure, sincere souls of disciples of yours. So for us, your instructions to form a BI Global Network came to fore as we realized it is not yet implemented.